Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Teacher Luis's class. Today we are going to study first conditional and how to use it. So in this presentation we're going to talk about the uses of first conditional, then how to form first conditional sentences, and later we are going to see some examples and finish with an exercise that you can do it on your own from home. So the first conditional is used to express the future consequences of a realistic possibility now or in the future. For example, if I miss the train, I will take the next one. There is a 50% chance that the first part of this sentence, the action following if, will happen. And if it happens, the second part is 100% certain. So the form is the next. So to make a sentence in the first conditional, we use if plus present simple, comma, the will, won't, plus the verb. Example 1. If I pass this exam, I'll celebrate. Example 2. If I pass this exam, I won't have to do it again. Okay. So, like all conditionals, we can also invert this structure. So we can use will plus the verb if plus present simple. So we invert the order, and when we start the sentence with will, we don't use a comma. So example 1, I'll celebrate if I pass the exam. Example 2, I won't have to do this exam again if I pass it. As an alternative to will, it is possible to complete the second part of a first conditional sentence with a modal verb or an imperative. For example, if it rains, we can't play tennis. If it rains, we must postpone our game. If it rains, wear your waterproof clothing. So we use the imperative or modal verbs. The important thing to remember with the first conditional is that we can never use will nor if. Will can only come in the other part of the sentence. So the first conditional has two sentences, and one starts with if and the other one with will. Will and if cannot be in the same part, they cannot be in the same space. So they need to be always separated, whether it's at the beginning or at the end. It doesn't matter the order. So let's see some examples. 1. If you practice frequently, you will learn quickly. 2. If we don't win today, we will be out of the competition. 3. Your teacher can help if you don't understand something. 4. If she does well in this interview, she'll get the job. If you're hungry, help yourself to whatever you want. We won't miss the plane if we hurry. Our boss will be really pleased if we get this contact. You can see that in the last two examples, we invert the order and we start with the sentence that's going to be the result, and we don't use a comma to introduce the condition. So, we're going to summarize the topic. We're going to remember that there's two clauses in one sentence to express condition future. So let's see, in the first clause, the if clause is if a condition exists on present, comma, then the main clause, the result. The result will be true in future imperative or modal verb, but we can also invert the order. So let's see other examples. If you study, comma, you will pass the exam. Or you can say, You will pass the exam if you study without the comma. If he doesn't call, comma, you should tell me immediately. You should tell me immediately if he doesn't call. And if she wins, comma, we will celebrate soon. We will celebrate soon if she wins. So, let's practice with some exercises. Please pause this video and then send me the answers. Okay, so this is the topic for today. Thank you so much for paying attention. And if you have any question, please let me know through the email. So see you in the next session. Bye.